of child deaths linked to substandard cough syrups.
Khuh damdawi ani hemi dextromethorphan hydrobromide syrup IP is Indian pharmacopoeia tinania Indian pharmacopoeia ina he khuh damdawi hi siam tura ati angin kan siam ani ti entir na angkha ni mai kimi IP ti chamo choni dextromethorphan hydrobromide hi khuh damdawi ni soyang khan khuh tura venga cough suppressant ania hi no pangin an eya ti chuanin an kalle an thin alo khoi chia achan chu chemical pakhat diethylene glycol ti ni ta in ka ria DG kami kha turang ania alo telani he khuh damdawi a hian poilu tukani
In Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan.
Madhya Pradesh le Rajasthan da hemi news hi to heni no megani.
The centre has stepped in. Multiple states are now on alert and Uttar Pradesh is the latest state.
State dangdam takpo he thilawang hianin and ralring na sakhop maya to hianin Uttar Pradesh in chui chiang turin hianin thupek te po an chuato ni news in on report ani
to launch a probe. The Union Health Ministry held an emergency high-level meeting with health.
Union Health Ministry chuanin he thilawang hianin emergency meeting a kawa chan chu he thil hi a serious MMA ni khoi ange he damdawi hi semdar ani to kha khang then te po kha chuya market a om song kha withdraw vek angai ani tin he khuh damdawi siam to company te anni hi amo phurtu bera ka ngai ke ma chuan mo
secretaries and drug control officials from all states and union territories in the wake of multiple child deaths linked to contaminated.
Hey apoi mo khop mai he khuh damdawi hi i khami chemical